Did you know that in ancient Rome, people believed that yawning could ward off evil spirits? It was thought that by yawning, a person could expel any demons trying to possess them. So next time you feel a yawn coming on, remember you might be protecting yourself from unseen forces. And speaking of protection, did you know that in Mesopotamia, wearing jingling earrings was believed to ward off evil spirits? The sound of the earrings was thought to keep negative energies at bay. Imagine walking around with your own personal Jingle Bell soundtrack. These bizarre beliefs from history never cease to amaze. What quirky superstitions will we uncover next?